I'm Marley.
I'm Leah.
And today we're going to be reviewing Guave Guy's Big Buckets DIY Slime. Woo!
And we are sisters.
Marley and Leah. Marley and Leah. Marley and Leah show. Okay, so let's open this up. With the help of my dad, he took off this tab. So now let's open this baby up. Okay, let's take out all this stuff.
Crunch.
This is the clear solution.
It has a crunch.
Yeah. Then we got the slime activator. I've never made slime, so I don't know what any of this is. Instructions, I need that. We got the white glue.
Guys, my sister is so nice.
We got the guava scent. Oh, I'm going to use that. We're going to use half and half. These are googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
There's some silver glitter. This is garlic scent. Ew, if you want to prank your friends.
Okay.
Actually, no, one for each. Okay, and then we got the gold.
I'll
glitter.
put that in. That looks
Then
cool.
we have the glow-in-the-dark powder. Woo!
Okay, I'm using that one.
Let's get started. Let me read the instructions because I've never made glue before. Okay, so first, Daddy, we're supposed to wash our hands thoroughly with soap.
We did that already.
Okay, yeah, we totally did that already. Okay, Leah, go down a little bit. So now you got this. We got these bowls. And add 8 teaspoons of PVA solution to the mixing bowl. PVA, clear PVA, and there's white glue. Leah, which one do you want? I want clear. Do you want clear too or no?
Maybe, what is this one?
This is regular glue.
Regular
It won't
glue?
be clear, but do you want this or no?
I want this one because I don't like clear.
Wait, let me check if you can use this. Sorry, guys.
I'll use this one.
Yeah, you can use.
And then when we're making it, I'll use this one, this one, this one, this one,
Okay, Leah.
and that one.
So where's the teaspoon? Oh yeah, this is from an AbsurdTV episode making something. So you have to use 8 of these, right?
Okay. You have to shake that or anything?
I think so. Oh god, here's a mixing
Our
stick.
daddy is recording.
You gotta. Oh, he's still recording?
Yeah. You want me to cut it?
Yeah. Let's show you guys when we're done. Mine's gonna be clear activator. Where's the activator? This part is the second except for that. It's like perfect slime. I mean, at least I think it'll be perfect. Or you can mix it. Here, you want to show them first? This is what it looks like right
Oh
now.
my god. Yeah, but again, just keep mixing. Mix.
Can I mix it a little bit? Because you said there's a lot of force. Okay, after you mix it a little bit, go into the hand and start peeling. Get it off here. Okay, now go in and start peeling. Start to mix it all. Mine actually turned out. Look,
Nice.
mine actually worked. Yay! You guys don't understand how sad I was when it didn't work. I'm gonna look a little more sprinkle. I'm not gonna get too greedy. Oh, after a while, after it sits, it just like it starts to work again. I'm gonna put it over here so I don't like sticky. Whoa! Mine actually worked.
Mine is so
Okay, yours will work after a while. It just like, it actually works, guys. Whoa! I don't really like the beads though. It comes out a lot. But
Yeah, I think you're supposed to mix it in first before you put the activator, like you did with Leah's. Does Leah have enough activator in hers?
yeah, it has a little bit. Like if she had a little bit less, it would be better. But it's okay. I'm putting a little
It
block.
is so
But it's so like gooey.
Yeah, mine was gooey too. Look at it now.
Oh,
It has to sit for a little bit.
Okay, here's the ending. How did it come out, guys?
It came out really good. Mine at first was very gooey and very wet, like how Leah's is right now. Leah's has to sit for a little bit. And I love the boxing, everything that comes in it.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it does.
Leah, how about yours? How did yours come out?
Mine is still gooey and still.
Hers is good. It has glitter in it and it's yellow. It is sticky, but after it sits for like a minute, like 5 minutes, it will be good. Because mine, you should have seen it. It was so gloppy and I put way too much activator. But it actually worked out in the end.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe yours needs a little bit more activator. I put in a little bit more, but it might need even more activator.
Okay, so what's your final conclusion?
My final conclusion is it's probably a 9.5 out of 10, only because the instructions are, I mean, I don't know. What about you, Leah? How do you rate it?
I would rate it as a million out of a million. Because I really like the slime.
I do like it, and I think it's...
I mean, I rate it out of 10 out of 10, 2 out of 2, and 3 out of 3. And 10 out of 10.
So the thing is, I wish there was more slime. I mean, it's a good amount of slime for $20. Like, this thing is $20 at Target. And yeah, this is really cool that it's Guava Juice's toy. We just saw it in Target, and it has a lot of value in it. And look at all this stuff that comes in it for $20. This is probably like $10. This is like $20. Just kidding. But still, this is a good amount, and I'm surprised that it had enough to make for 2 of us. And there's even more to make more videos and more slime. Thanks for watching the Marle and Leah show. Subscribe for more content. And yeah, slime. Woo-hoo.